Hello. Trading is closed on November 3rd, 2022. We always start with our disclaimer. Go over our calls and make some predictions. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, November 4th. Just remember, I can be completely wrong. Any trade you make should be at your own risk. Also, I've had less time than usual to do my analysis. Well, this decline stopped right at this green line, which is a prior FOMC announcement price, and right at this red line, which is a long-standing MEJT target. So we stopped right at levels which were established weeks ago. Look for the pattern at the early high, which is this, as an early high, late low, counter trend rally in the middle of the day. We said it tended to be a negative day, but lately it's had a positive bent to it instead. This low is usually under this, it wasn't here. And we said that the MEJT system called for a strong rally at some time today, but it didn't say from where it started, and it didn't require a positive close. This is just a reminder of what we said. During the day, we got a sell signal from MEJT that worked. There was an optional higher target that would trade over this upper white line. We did, and that was resistance. We said when we broke through this down-sloping trend line that the break was not sustainable, it shouldn't stick, and at some point we should return to that line. And we did that today, so that gets rid of another lower objective on the downside. Now we have the same situation here in reverse. This drop to the line didn't meet the sustainability criteria, so either we gap under the line, and preferably under today's low. Either we do that or the line wins, meaning a further drop should retrace to the line at some point. I'm not certain of the count here, but that could be one, that could be two, that could be three. We could be in the fourth wave. The fourth wave could have completed. The wave 5 could possibly truncate. All these things are possible. I don't think you can say right now with any confidence, at least I can't, if that's the right count or which one of those things will happen. Well, tomorrow's pattern has a really high. We could still gap down. Today's drop hit some long-standing lower targets, one from an unsustainable trendline break, one from a MEJT ultimate target. Wave count I'm using tells us we have much further to go on the downside. However, one can't be certain that's the right count. Today's a change in trend day based on someone else's work. There are too many puts being purchased in relation to calls, and the drop to the trend line was not sustained. If the rally's to continue on the beta, we should gap under the trend line, and ideally under today's low, and I'm not ruling it out. It could possibly happen. My health's improved since yesterday. I'm still ill. I didn't have as much time to do my analysis as I would have liked. Plan to risk money on my plan. Please bear in mind that I'm still not playing with all my cards, even though I'm improving. So So there's a chance this holds, but if we gap under it, I have a lot of stuff calling for lower targets. And futures are down as I'm recording it, as I'm recording this, and I just can't rule that out. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high, and that's today's call.